Decentralization and Rural Development, and the Secretariat of the District Assembly Common Fund Administrator for championing this initiative. The impact of roads, poor road network in rural communities cannot be overstated. They hinder agricultural production, prevent farmers from efficiently transporting goods to markets, and limit access to essential social services such as healthcare and education. With DRIP 2024, we are tackling these pressing issues head-on, demonstrating our commitment to local government development and economic growth. Through this initiative, we shall undertake critical road maintenance activities, including grading and graveling of unpaved roads, performing minor spot improvement, and installing minor drainage structures. These initiatives go beyond infrastructure. They are about connecting communities, facilitating commerce, and ensuring that no part of the country is left behind. It is important to highlight that the program will complement other significant initiatives aimed at improving our road network, such as the Enhanced Maintenance Program, which was launched yesterday at the Ministry of Roads and Highways. By integrating these efforts, we ensure a cohesive and strategic approach to ensuring road infrastructure nationwide, reflecting the government's holistic vision for development.